You're watching the Cooking with Jack show.
All right, guys. So when I first started freeze drying, it was a blast. I knew the owner of the company recommended doing my own seasonings with the freeze dryer because it makes it a fine powder. So you can put anything in there. You can put chili peppers. You can do anything. So I'm like, okay, anything? So I thought today we'll try and make our own seasoning. So why don't you come in close and I'll show you what I'm putting in it. We're going to freeze dry it, grind it up, and use it in a lot of our dishes that are coming up. Okay, guys. So let's run down what we're going to freeze dry. We're going to do the cilantro. We're going to take the zest of a lemon and we're going to freeze dry that. We're going to take onions, garlic. We're going to clean the seeds out of these and do jalapenos. But first, I want to thank my buddy Mike for making me this huge, heavy-duty cutting board. It's out of birch wood, and nothing like a good hard wood to cut on. Okay, we got everything prepared. Cilantro on one tray, onions spread out on another. Here's the jalapenos. There's the garlic. That's the lemon zest. I think this is going to be an amazing seasoning. All of this is going to get blended together. Okay, guys, so we're going to kind of do this in stages because everything's dry, but this is really firm. This is firm. This is flaky. So we're going to do the firm first. I'll show you how I'll load it. All right, now this could still be a failure because I've never made seasoning before. I've never ground this up before. So let's see if it works. So we have most of the onions in here. Hey, it's working. Okay, now to go to the next firmest. This is about as firm as the onions were. This smells so powerful right now. Oniony, and it will soon smell jalapeno-y, if that's even a word. Oops, Tammy left a few seeds. It's going to be nice and hot. Okay. All right, let's see if it'll work. Got the onions and jalapeno already ground. We got the cilantro in there, garlic, lemon zest. Let's see. Okay, so this was a utter failure. I didn't realize when you grind up the herbs and you grind up the onions and you grind up the jalapeno, that some moisture is still in there. We freeze dried all night long and still didn't dry it out. So we got a matty green mess. Looks like somebody just puked in a bowl. Anyway, I don't advise this. Go to the store, buy a good blend of seasoning. Don't attempt this. If you do, try it with different stuff or buy dry ingredients. Blend them together. Don't try and make your own. Or maybe you can. I don't know. Write me and tell me how you make seasoning if you do. Obviously, that's not the way you do it. And I will see you with another video next week.